Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We hope you are doing well and thank you so much for joining us and for your support. We appreciate you so much. Today guys, we are in Kiambu County in Kenya and we'll be driving you to Juja in Kenya to show you this building that the members of Kiambu County Assembly Finance Committee have recommended for it to be demolished. We are driving on Thika Superhighway, also known as Thika Road, and we'll be driving to a place called High Point in Juja, where that building is still under construction.
I'm just feeling my ways. Don't talk, give me some space. I want to feel my ways. I'm growing up on you, yeah. I'm just feeling my ways. Feeling my ways. Give me space. I can't find my
Kindly join us and watch until the very end. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, to share it, to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much.
Give me your money, yeah. That's only a day here. Start out, yeah. Oh no. See every day that I think about you, oh yeah. Said I love what you give me is not enough, oh yeah. Now you there for my mind, baby boy on my mind. You there for my mind. Yeah. Oh yeah. Girl, I got you, yeah, I got you. Those girls just a fumble, yeah. I know they see them my top love. Girl, I got you, yeah, I got you. Those girls just a fumble, love. I know they see them my top love. Me when I fall in love, fall in love. Me when I fall in love, oh yeah. Me when I fall in love, fall in love, when I fall in love, yeah, oh yeah. Now you the boss of my brain, set my soul on fire. Take me round the world, boy, I see that you like me. But you're ready, boy, I'm ready. Anytime you want, boy, I'm waiting. Girl, I got you, yeah, I got you. Those girls just a fumble, yeah. I know they see them my top love. Girl, I got you, yeah, I got you. Those girls just a fumble, love. I know they see them my top love. Me when I fall in love, fall in love, fall in love. Me when I fall in love, fall in love, oh yeah. Me when I fall in love, fall in love, when I fall in love, yeah, oh yeah.
So like I was telling you guys, the Kiambu County Assembly Finance Committee have recommended to the National Construction Authority of Kenya for this 15-floor building to be demolished over violations of safety laws and also unpaid revenue to the county government by the developer. The county government of Kiambu is claiming that the developer was only approved for a 5-floor building but has ended up building a 15-floor building. So guys, we would like to hear from you at the comment section what your thoughts are about this recommendation to demolish this building. Please let us know at the comment section.
Never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you after.
If you have ever applied for a construction permit in Kenya, you know it's not an easy process. And our question is, how did this developer get the approvals for only 5 floors and then ended up putting up 15 floors?
Giving me reason to believe it's alright.
This building is also next to the highway and also next to the Juja sub-county offices. And our question is, does the NCA or the county officers not inspect such projects as they go up? And did they not notice the building until now when it's in the finishing stage?
Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices.
The developer must have invested a lot of millions to put up such a beautiful building, and this will bring a lot of revenue to the county government. And our question is there a way for the county and the developer to come up to a resolution instead of bringing down such an investment if the building meets the codes? In the last few months, several buildings in Kiambu County have collapsed due to poor workmanship, and our question is, does this project now reveal something is amiss in the Kiambu County building permit process? So what do you think? Should this building be demolished? Please let us know at the comment section, and we would appreciate it so much. We will be on the lookout and let you know whether the county government and the developer will have a resolution or this building will be demolished. We really appreciate you for watching this far. Kindly remember to like, to share, to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And until our next video, have a good one, be safe, be kind, and cheers. Bye bye.